Brad Williams, Excel Prime. In this section, we'll be discussing understanding and using array formulas. What is an array formula? The quickest and easiest way to understanding array formulas. Falling out of love with array constants. Apply array dimensions the right way. How to label Excel array constants. How to change Excel array formulas. How to modify an Excel array formula. How to shrink or grow a multi-cell Excel array formula. What are multi-cell arrays? How to build an array constant from a range. How to design an array endpoint. 4 steps in working with Excel array functions. How to use Excel's transpose function with an array. What is an Excel single cell array? How to find and add the 3 smallest values in a range. How to count Excel text in a range. More on counting text cells. Counting the number of error values in a range. Summing the digits of an integer. Removing non-numeric characters from a string. Working with multi-cell array formulas. This is an introduction. It's old school. There's been a lot of changes over the last couple of years regarding arrays and dynamic arrays. But if you don't have a basic understanding of what an array is, then grasping the dynamic array will be overkill. In other words, you're going to be walking into a situation where you're going to look at the outcomes and go, well, this is simple. Yeah, it's simple because you don't have to think any longer. The further you move along with array formulas and you don't understand the basic concept, at some point you're going to hit a wall and you're going to say, what's going on? Array constants have been around since math was founded thousands and thousands of years ago. All Excel's done is taking that structure and put it online and put it in the way of functions and formulas. Just like algebra, if you don't understand constants, well, you're going to find yourself lost. So this introduction of array formulas, yeah, it's old school, but you need to know a little bit of old school before stepping into the new school. You know that old saying, you have to walk and run and you got to crawl first. And you can't do a marathon with 2 days of training. Well, you can't jump into constants without a little bit of knowledge. And that's what this is all about. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.